Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode. Now, very excited because we're back. We're back in Streaky Bay. So let's hit the water and let's go.
Astro, no. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people
Good morning, everybody. Like I was saying at the ramp, we are here at Streaky Bay. Very excited. I'm here with my family, and we're here to have a red hot crack at a few of SA's most delicious table fish. We've got Mum up the front, actually at the back of the boat. She's having a crack for some whiting, and I got my deckhand, just getting everything ready to go for a big day on the tingers. So let's see how today goes, but who knows, we might make a bit of a mashup depending on how everything goes with inshore and offshore. But if the fishing's red hot, we might even just do an inshore and an offshore. So stay tuned, because today / this week is going to be a really good week. So you. Bit of colour. Ah, it's a tuna. It's not a big one. Oh yeah. Nice. Get rid of him. Too small. Righto. Just a small salmon around the 6 kilo mark. Bit of colour, bit of colour. Yep. Little footy, little footy. He's slightly better.
You're on, Dad. You're on. Maybe not. I don't know.
Still got a bit of line to go. We want him to go for another big run, then we know he's a bit better. I see the colour. He's a bit better. He's a nice fish. Ready?
Yep.
Lovely. Well, he passes that for a sec. You get that. I don't know. I can't see.
Why can't you see?
Because it's on my head.
It is a bit bigger.
Lean against there and I'll give him to you for a little sneaky picky.
Anyway, so it's only a baby.
Yeah, you're only a pup. Little pup. Back? Back he goes. Oh, little kick flip. Gone. Definitely going through a bit of action there. You on? Oh, Dad's little homemade special. coming up with the goods. Be good if it was a big nanny. How good would that be? I can see colour. No, I can't. Oh, it's orange. Oh, you got a little swallowtail. Oh, here we go. Yep. Come on. Got you that song. Was it a single or a double? Oh, another monster. Look at the size of him. Beautiful. Nanny's a nice nanny. Just get you right. Beautiful fish, mate. Oh wow, that's a better one.
Yeah, because I just came out of that hole.
I think I've got a salmon. I think, the way this is fighting. Or a trevally. Yeah, a little trevally. Hey! Oh, Mum, nice. How are we going over here, Dad? You keeping them there? Keeping them there? You just keep them there for me. I'll just quickly get one. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, I was off. 1. Tinger on. Hey. Just a little one. Just a little one. Do you want to keep him?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking. Don't really need him, do we?
Get him off.
Ah, that's alright.
Just 'cause you don't want it. Do you want me to hold them?
He won't come back again. He'll be like, no. I know what those squid jags do. They hurt. Tommy! Come here. Come here, Mr. Ruff. Oh, it's a flatty. Little flatty.
Now they have spikes.
They do, they do. Feed the chooks. Oh, that's a bit better whiting though. Not as good as this. Not as good as my trumpeter. I'm just trying to help you out. I just want to get this out of your mouth. There we go. Oh, wacko. Oh, he's a little bit tiny. He's a little bit nib. Oh, wacko. He's like a little sleeper. I think he's, I just caught your mate's brother. Oik. That's how we do it. We're all done.
Swimming in the pool, can't drink 'em all. Want a piece of this, a piece of mine, my piece of sign. Can you please read between the lines? My rhymes inclined to break your spine. They say that I'm so fine, you could never match my grind. Please do not waste my time. What you know about rolling down in the